An older child might take the same who, what, where information and make a more sophisticated paragraph. It might read, TJ and Beth's mother was busy with her responsibilities of her job and family. When TJ asked for help with his homework, Mother had to fit that into her schedule too. She became frustrated with herself when she was unable to explain word problems to TJ. Same who, what, where's, but a much more sophisticated sentence structure and the choice of vocabulary. Now, one of the really important things that your child is going to be asked to do is give evidence for the for the factual pieces of information that they declare. So if you say in our notes here that TJ and Beth's mother was very busy, we should be able to find an actual quote or citing from the story to substantiate that. Let me show you how that's done. Going back to the first rendition of the story, the one that a younger child might do, TJ and Beth's mother was very busy. Perhaps this quote from the story may be able to be used to substantiate that sentence. A few minutes later, Mother and Beth had collected TJ from the school bus, and they were squeezing in those end of the day errands. Again, this is saying that Mother is busy with her job and family, and this is where TJ has asked her to help with homework. And she says, "Okay," said Mother, "I'm ready now that we've had dinner. I'll clean up the kitchen in a little while. What do you need?" These two particular quotes might actually substantiate the second summary that the older child might have done. Here it's talking about Mother was busy with her responsibilities and certainly getting TJ from the school bus and then doing all the errands that they did, returning the library books and getting the school supplies and getting the gift for the cousin's birthday party was certainly responsible of Mother as she's juggling her work life with her home life. And finally, Mother had to fit into her schedule helping TJ with his homework. And this substantiates this quote about after she made dinner, she even left the kitchen a mess so she could help him with his homework, and then she would have to clean that up later. Now, this particular quote could be used to substantiate the frustration that she was feeling. Let me say it another way. Mother paused and looked at the kitchen wall. She thought, I have very little time. I'm torn. I have so many things to do, but I want to help my child learn. What's the answer? I'm a parent, not a teacher. This definitely gets to Mother's frustration, and it is something that she's thinking. So the author has let us into Mother's head. We are now able to hear what she's thinking, and that certainly gives the understanding that she's conflicted and she's frustrated, that she doesn't know the key to how to help TJ understand this math, particularly since she knows how to do it. She can't find the words and the technique to tell her own child.